Okay, so I set up what we're gonna do next. So I got the color wheel out. I put a lot of paper towels down because I'm personally messy. And then I put red, yellow, and blue in their designated dots. And I also cut off the tips of the paint so that they're opened. And I almost spilled myself, so definitely like get a lot of paper towels. So now we're going to mix the colors to do orange, violet, and green. So what I'm going to do is just get a little bit of red on my brush, put it in to the little spoon. I'm going to rinse that out. And then I'm going to get some yellow, do the same. And then you're going to use your brush to mix it up. And we're gonna, clearly I need to add more yellow to make an orange color to lighten it up because there's too much red, which is why it's dark. So I'm gonna do that. So if you find yourself not having enough, it's kind of hard to work on the paper, so I actually am just gonna squirt a tiny bit of red or of yellow into the little measuring cup so that it makes it orange. It's gonna be a dark orange, so then you just kind of pour it out onto the little spot like that so it looks nice and orange. And then we're gonna try to designate one cup for your spoon and the other for your brush. And then also you can use a paper towel if you want to clean that. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Just because the water's not gonna get everything out of the spoon and we don't want it to affect the other colors. So I'm just gonna clean it off so that it's ready for my next color. Then I'm going to do the same with the yellow and blue to make green. So I'm gonna do more yellow in here because I need more yellow. And then I'm going to grab the yellow first. So green is gonna need this. I want some yellow. I want a bit of blue. I think I overdid it on the dark colors last time, so don't do that. Don't take after my lead in this. And then we're gonna mix it together and ooh, yay! This is like a darker green. I actually really like this color. So we're gonna do that, then we're just gonna pour it out onto where it says green. And then repeat the same step for our last color. This isn't necessary, like if you guys know what colors make what, you don't have to do this step, you can jump right to the paint video. But this is like helpful if you're still kind of learning, because I know this is interesting for me to see like what colors make what. I have an idea, but it's cool to see it in action. It's kind of like a fun little science experiment. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna do a little bit of blue. And then we're gonna mix that to make violet, a purple color. And then we're just going to put it on there. And then you have all our color wheels, which is exciting. Now we're gonna move on to the Explore Custom colors. Okay, so after that, I've just done the next step, which is to take the colors that we just made and the primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, and put them all in the middle. Then we're gonna get a little dab of white, like that. And then we're gonna take our paintbrush again. This is just like kind of the same thing to teach you color theory and how different colors mix together. So if you know, you don't need to. Then we're gonna take the white and put a little bit in our orange, and then blend it together to create a lighter orange. And this is just kind of giving you more ideas for when we're gonna do our paint pours, which colors you're gonna want to incorporate. Then we're gonna just kind of follow that step for the whole round of the colors, adding white to each one, and then I'll show you the finished product. So we added white to all the colors, so now they're all lighter. You can get a look at what mine look like, and this will kind of give you an idea of what you might want to incorporate in yours. So now we're gonna kind of get to the paint pouring section. So you're gonna want to put the lids on all of our paints just so they don't spill, but you should have like a big workspace. So we're gonna unscrew it. And then there's a little piece of You're gonna take your measuring spoon and just add 1 measuring spoon of water to the paint. And this is gonna thin it out because acrylics are really, really thick. So this will kind of make it more diluted, so it'll work better for paint pouring. And then you're gonna shake it. And I'm gonna do this for all 3 of the other colors. Same amount of water, and then shake it. After we've done that, we're just gonna prep our box because we're gonna be doing our paint pour in here. So they gave us these 4 stickers, which we're going to use to cover up the openings on the bottom of your box like this, so that the paint doesn't get everywhere, and make sure that they're like secure. Because even if you have paper towels, it might cause it to spill, and we don't want paint all over our houses. So then we are going to just do this and cover this on all 4 sides. And then once you're done, I'm gonna just do the other 2 off camera. Once you're done, you're gonna open your box up, and then we're gonna place 2 of our paper cups, like this, and then you're gonna take your first canvas and lay it on top, and that's what we're gonna use our paint pour out of after we make our colors. Just to get that ready. Okay, so I've just created my 4 paint colors. They're right here. I just mixed, and you can do whatever you want. That's why I didn't show it. It's just whatever colors you want. Make sure to only do 4 of these type of spoons, your plastic spoon, worth of color per cup. And we're just gonna mix it together with the spoons, and now we're gonna get started. So you can take out these popsicle sticks for each of the colors because they're well mixed. Then you're gonna start with doing a little quarter size in the middle of each of the paint colors. I'm gonna do my blue. I'm gonna do my orange, my darker orange. I'm gonna do my lighter blue. I'm gonna do my lighter blue over here actually. Lighter blue. And then I'm going to do my light yellow, or my light orange, my bad. So once you've done this, you can just kind of keep adding the colors. So I'm gonna add my dark blue to my dark orange, my light blue to my light orange, and you can do whatever like colors sound interesting to you or that you like. I'm just kind of doing a random pattern. There we go. And we're just gonna do this until all the colors run out in our cups. So once you like how your colors look and you've used up all your paint, now you're gonna just gently, you're gonna get a little messy in this part, but you're gonna gently kind of like slide the paint along. You're just gonna do it back and forth. You can do it forward. Some of the paint's gonna probably come off. Just until it's all covered. All parts of the canvas are covered. So I'm just gonna go like this. You're probably gonna get a little bit messy in this part, which is okay. And just flip. We're just gonna flip down. And then you're just gonna set it back on the ground, and that's gonna be your finished paint pour. It looks really cool.